Hello friends, how are you today? Did you know that our country, the Philippines, is not only being influenced by the Spaniards and other Southeast Asian countries? Our country is also being influenced by the tropical island countries like Hawaii, Guam, and many other countries on our Pacific area region. That is why I call our dish today Chicken Tropical. It's just because I included the essence of three kinds of tropical fruits: pineapple, banana, and coconut. I can consider this as a fusion cuisine since it's basically similar to our adobo and hamonado with a twist of tropical island ingredients. Can you just imagine how yummy? So let's see for ourselves. Come and join me. Let's start cooking. Let's begin with the ingredients. So we need soy sauce, vinegar, canned pineapple chunks, coconut milk or coconut cream, potatoes, about 1/2 kilo of boneless chicken thighs. We have the aromatics like our onion and garlic. We need some banana blossoms, black peppercorn, and also an ingredient not in the picture is sugar. So we will be needing some sugar to balance the taste. For sauteing, I will also use a few dash of salt and pepper, but that is optional. So to start off with, please get a clean cooking pan. Turn the stove on to medium heat and put some cooking oil. So we're preparing for some sauteing. First is the onion as usual. Then the garlic, only half of the garlic. So by this time we can now add the chicken. So we are now in the process what we call sangkutchak. Put some black pepper and some salt. Putting some salt is just optional. It's just my way of sauteing some meat. I usually combine salt with ground black pepper powder in order to eliminate some kind of a foul odor to the meat, whether it's chicken or pork or beef or even seafoods. So add soy sauce, about 3 tablespoons. So now let's add some black peppercorn as you desired. Now add about 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Hey, I said 3. Okay. And our golden rule, just don't mix the vinegar. Just cover it and let it simmer. At this point we can now add the other half of the garlic. At this point we will just let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. So check from time to time, just make sure it's not going to dry up. So at this point we can now put the coconut cream, about 3 tablespoons, and then mix it well. Adjust the stove heat to medium-high. We are now in the process of tenderizing the chicken. So let's just cover and let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So right in the middle of our chicken tenderizing process or simmering, we can now add the potatoes. So it will be softened down together with the chicken. Then we can add the banana blossoms. You know, these banana blossoms have a very unique banana essence that adds a unique flavor and gives a tropical kind of taste to our dish. So at this point, we can now add the pineapple chunks. So now all the three tropical fruits, which are the feature of our dish for today, are already been included. So add a few pinches of sugar to balance the taste. Then mix well. At this point, we're just waiting for the potatoes to soften, and then the dish is ready. Okay, it's ready to serve. Okay now friends, here's our chicken tropicale. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Hit the bell button to keep updated. Bye for now and be blessed.